My travel-heavy lifestyle affects my skincare the most because my corporate communication job takes me across the country for work. I always thought that to have a good skin, you had to do regular salon visits, use different skincare products, which can be quite difficult for someone, at least like me, who has on-the-go lifestyle. But. Then I came across NuEssentials Nourishing and Hydration Kit by ZeroHarm Sciences. That really made me change my views about skincare. It comes in a pack of 3 products. The first one is a face mask, a mist, and a serum. Wherever I am, I carry this kit with me, and every night before sleeping, I do a full routine. In just 15-20 minutes, I start with a face mask. I just do it once a week, followed by a spray mist, which helps collagen, peptides, niacinamide, and other active ingredients dissolve into my beautiful skin. See? So after letting it sit for just 15 minutes, I wash my face and applied the serum. So NuEssentials Nourishing and Hydration Kit hydrates my skin and keeps the skin barrier intact. That skin barrier acts as a shield when I go out in the outside world. It keeps the irritants and the allergens out and locks in the moisture. So if you are someone who travels a lot just like me, this kit is essential for you in your itinerary. Order now.